Wagwan peeps, this is Ricardo Campbell. We're back up on the farm here. Today is plowing day. We're plowing our land. We're gonna do about 15 acres today. There's the man down the street there, Mr. Kendricks. He started this morning about 7 o'clock. We're gonna do about 15 acres of plowing for my sweet pepper and my Scotch bonnet pepper. After that, I have to till the soil. We're gonna make the farrowing in the beds, and then I'm going to make sure my soil is nice and moist. As you could see, it's good soil already, good dirt. But I need to add some minerals, some zinc, some phosphorus, some calcium nitrate, some boron, and some chicken manure and ashes. I want nice, fertilized, fresh dirt to plant my Scotch bonnet peppers. The Scotch bonnet pepper is my crop. We're selling about $8 a pound. And then I'm going to also plant some sweet pepper. And then over here, we're going to burn down there, and they're going to put up some cassava over here. So put some cassava and some ginger and turmeric. But I don't have to plow too much over there. I'm just going to burn it and farrow it. So this is where we are, peeps. Everything is moving clear. We're going to do 15 acres today of plowing. We're going to go all the way back. I'm going to buy my seedlings because I need about 5 weeks for them to grow. Put up my greenhouse, and then after 5 weeks, I could plant my Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, man. Everything is good. Just showing you the progress. And I'm going to put up a greenhouse next week. Also, in regards to the license for ganja, coming soon. I already applied for, waiting for approval, so be soon. That's going to be hidden in the back somewhere. Can't make too many people know about that though. So, this is where we are, peeps. I need an investor though. I need an investor. I have 100 acres, Ricardo Campbell. You can always send me an email or WhatsApp. WhatsApp is 3761027. Email rcampbell1966@yahoo.com. 100 acres of firm land. Hydroponic, ganja, turmeric, ginger, Scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, everything. Farm up the country. Yeah, man.